Hey everyone, and welcome back to the Digital Insights Nexus. Today we are diving into a real-time case study of a brand which skyrocketed to success through the sheer power of digital marketing. Dollar Shave Club. Buckle up, marketing students and professionals, because this is a masterclass in disruption and building a brand from scratch. So let's start with the beginning, the challenge. Dollar Shave Club wasn't always the household name it is today. In the early 2010s, the shaving industry was a stodgy giant dominated by established players like Gillette and Stick. These brands relied on expensive celebrity endorsements, fancy packaging, and high price points. Consumers felt alienated and overcharged for a basic necessity. That's where Dollar Shave Club saw an opportunity. They recognized the growing frustration with overpriced, overhyped razors. Their target audience, millennial men who valued convenience, transparency, and a good laugh. So, how did Dollar Shave Company disrupt the market? Through a groundbreaking digital marketing strategy built on three key pillars. Number one, content marketing with a dose of humor. They launched with a now legendary viral video. Remember, our blades are fucking great. With its edgy humor, relatable protagonist, and a clear value proposition, $1 a month. Are you shitting me? The video resonated with their target audience. It garnered over 27 million views in just a month, propelling Dollar Shave Company into the public eye. The video's success was not a fluke. According to Vistia, humorous video content receives 20% more shares than serious content. Dollar Shave Club tapped into that power to grab attention and build brand awareness. Second pillar in their strategy was building the community, social media engagement. But Dollar Shave Club did not stop at a single viral video. They leveraged social media platforms like Twitter and Facebook to build a thriving online community. Their witty tweets, funny memes, and interactive content kept the conversation going, fostering brand loyalty and encouraging user-generated content. A study by Social Media Today reports that brands with strong social media engagement see a 22% increase in customer loyalty. Dollar Shave Club understood the power of community in the digital age. Third pillar in their digital strategy was targeted advertising and content distribution. Dollar Shave Club didn't just rely on organic reach. They strategically utilized targeted advertising on social media platforms and search engines. By focusing on demographics and interests relevant to their ideal customer, they ensured their message reached the right people at the right time. HubSpot research indicates that targeted ads are 10x more likely to generate a response than non-targeted ads. Dollar Shave Club's laser focus on targeting maximized the effectiveness of their marketing campaigns. Now, fourth pillar in their digital marketing strategy was leveraging influencer marketing before it was trendy. While influencer marketing wasn't as mainstream back then as it is today, Dollar Shave Club recognized its potential. They partnered with relevant YouTubers and bloggers to spread the word about their products. This authentic endorsement from trusted voices further boosted brand awareness and drove sales. According to Influencer Marketing Hub, 84% of marketers agree that influencer marketing is an effective way to increase brand awareness. Dollar Shave Club capitalized on this strategy before it became saturated. And here are the results. Numbers don't lie, right? So Dollar Shave Club's digital marketing strategy was a resounding success. Within a year, they amassed over 400,000 or 4 lakh subscribers. By 2012, they were processing over 2,000 orders per day. Now, this phenomenal growth caught the attention of the industry giant Unilever, who acquired them in 2016 for a whopping $1 billion. Studies by social bakers reveal that brands which effectively integrate social media into their marketing strategies see a 78% increase in brand recall. Dollar Shave Club's social media presence was instrumental in driving sales and brand recognition. Dollar Shave Club's success goes beyond just numbers. They became a cultural phenomenon, challenging the status quo in a stagnant industry. They redefined how a brand can connect with its audience and created a customer base that felt not just like buyers but like part of a movement. So, what can marketing students and professionals learn from Dollar Shave Club's success? Number one, and it's really important, understand your audience. Dollar Shave Club did not try to be everything to everyone. They pinpointed a specific target audience and crafted their messaging to resonate deeply with them. Second one, content is king, or you may call it queen. Creating high quality, engaging content which entertains, informs, and resonates with your audience is crucial. So go beyond traditional advertising and embrace the power of storytelling. Number three, the power of humor. Humor cannot be a powerful tool, it actually can be a powerful tool to disarm your audience, build rapport, and make your brand memorable. But remember, humor should be relevant and appropriate for your target audience. Number three, embrace social media. Social media platforms are powerful tools for building communities, engaging with your audience, and promoting your brand. Don't just broadcast, have conversations and encourage user generated content. Number three, targeted advertising pays off. Invest in targeted advertising strategies which ensure your message reaches the right people at the right time. Data driven targeting maximizes your return on investment. Number four, don't underestimate influencer marketing. Finding the right brand advocates to promote your products can significantly increase brand awareness and drive sales. Authenticity is key here. Partner with influencers who genuinely align with your brand values. Number five, think beyond the sale. Focus on building lasting relationships with your customers. Create a sense of community and loyalty which goes beyond just transactions. While Dollar Shave Club's story took place a decade ago, the core principles of their success remain relevant today. The digital marketing landscape has, of course, evolved. Here are some additional considerations for contemporary marketeers. Number one is the rise of personalization. Personalization is key in today's marketing landscape. Leverage customer data to tailor your messaging and content to individual needs and preferences. Number two, don't underestimate the power of video marketing. Video continues to be a dominant force in digital marketing. Explore formats like short form video content, think TikTok and Instagram Reels or YouTube Shorts to reach your audience in engaging ways. Number three is the evolving world of social media. New platforms and features emerge constantly. Stay updated on the latest trends in social media to maximize your reach and engagement. Then you have the growing importance of customer experience. Customer experience is no longer an afterthought. Every touch point from pre-sale to post-purchase matters. Focus on building a seamless and positive customer journey. Dollar Shave Club's story is a testament to the power of digital marketing. By understanding their audience, creating compelling content, and embracing new technologies, they carved a niche for themselves in a crowded market. Remember, marketing is a continuous learning process. Here at Digital Insights Nexus, we are dedicated to helping you navigate the ever evolving digital landscape. Subscribe to our channel for more in-depth case studies, marketing tips, and industry insights. Hit the notification bell to stay updated on all our latest content. We would love to hear your thoughts on Dollar Shave Club success story. Leave a comment below and share your experiences with digital marketing. Thanks for joining us today. Until next time, keep on marketing.